Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into socialbee.com. This is the homepage as you can see. I have here various information, but before let's know what is SocialBee. SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So to get started, all you have to do is click over sign up free and write your email address and your password. Then you'll find this page. So we have here the dashboard. Hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. We have here getting started with SocialBee. Set up your account in just a few steps. The first steps we have connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then we have define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. At the last step we have create and customize posts for each network. Then we have your connected social accounts. View and manage your social accounts in one place. You have just to click over create posts and you get started. So I will show you how. So we have here the first thing, you write your title here and then what you want to share. Then you click over here and you add a photo or video. Then you choose public, private, or enlisted. Then we have here other things like a post must have either text or images or a link being posted. YouTube post require a title. YouTube post require a video. Then we have your left. You have your new and you add the variation here. Then we have here also other things. If you want to post now, post at a specific time, at a posting time. So for example, I will choose here. Then you click over apply. Then you click over save post and you're done with that. So this is how you can get started, how you can create the post. Then if you scroll down, we have also other things here. Connect a new account, add more social accounts to increase your online performance. We have here Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X and Twitter, Google Businesses, TikTok also, YouTube, Plusky, Universal Posting. Then we have your service marketplace. We have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers within the SocialBee certified marketplace. You have your hire SocialBee experts are your emergency also. You have your SocialBee University, unlock the dynamic world of digital marketing with courses and events that covers all social media strategies. We have you become a social media manager, how to use SocialBee. Then we have here content. Your content categories, content is king, and you will feel the same once you start adding it to your categories. Click over create category, you write your category name, then you have your add description. Give your category an internal description so you know what this should be about. Then you click over create category. Then we have your hashtag collection. Add, edit, or delete your hashtag collections from here. You will be able to quickly add them to your posts. Then you click over add hashtag, you write your collection name, your hashtag list, and then you click over create. Then we have your import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to your account with a CSV import. Then we have your import links. Turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. You have just to write your links here, add the category, and at the top here, bottom, then you, for example, here in kitchen, let's post to the top. We have your append text. We have also import media. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. Please choose the social profiles you want to share on. You just import media and you click over category that you want. Then add post here. Then print text. And that's it for those things. It's the same as you can see. Then we have here social media coupled. Answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use the social media coupled here. Then you have your schedule setup. About this one, it's very important. You have just to add posting time here. For example, this one, please choose the social profiles you want to share on. Select showing all. Choose random category. Select day. And just select the day you want here. Then you click over create. Then we have your next post, view your next posts. Take a log of your upcoming 100 posts. We have also here a calendar view, grid view, filled post. Then we have here also analytics. See here how your social profile has been performing and growing. Then we have here SocialBee services, engage dashboard helps. Also, you can just click over here and write the help that you want. So SocialBee offers a comprehensive solution for managing your social media strategy efficiently by organizing content into categories, scheduling posts in advance, and utilizing recycling features. You can maintain a consistent and engaging online presence. Coupled with robust analytics, SocialBee empowers you to refine your approach and maximize your reach. With this tool, you can focus more on creating quality content and less on the logistics of posting, ultimately driving better results for your brand. So this is how it works with SocialBee.com. You can just get started right now by just following these steps. You will succeed. The first step is sign up. Then also we have here other information. Have just read it to more understand about how it works with SocialBee. We have here various information and various things that you have to know about SocialBee before getting started. For example, we have manage how dropping and scroll, stopping social media feeds, create, recycle, schedule, publish, analyze, engage, collaborate, and approve your social media posts. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.